What is going on? Laser Focus Solutions Media. Chris Godwin here, coming at you on a Friday night. We are going to make this a quick one. So we are sitting at about 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Allergies are kicked in. I gotta hit the gym here, work out for a little bit, and then get up tomorrow and do some work. So today, to recap today, what do we do? Shoo, I gotta think about this. So we went back to the basement job and we went ahead and installed the handrail posts. We went ahead and replaced the vent grills in the ceiling, replaced the plates and such that the client requested in the basement room there. Got all the tools and all the debris and everything removed out. And these are all things when you own a business you got to account for is just time, right? So did all that. And then from there, we went ahead and walked ourselves out of the room by painting up the stairs. So we did the back treads first. That way we can get ourselves all the way up. And then we went ahead and did the treads up and out and backed out. So finished that up. That went well, success. Client wasn't home to make payment, so we returned later on in the afternoon. We did return to the drywall job, collected a draw on that to continue tomorrow and proceed. And then basically, it's my son thanking me for bringing the car. This boy, love him to death. This man who hits a shopping cart at 40 miles an hour on the road? First of all, who leaves a shopping cart in the middle of the road? But besides that, my son hit a shopping cart. So we went ahead and returned back to the drywall job, got a draw on it to continue. We're going to go out tomorrow and do just that. So from there, sometimes you got to squeeze in some personal stuff too in the business. So went from there. I went and took my fiance's car to get new tires, alignment, and a new tie rod. So went ahead and picked her up. We drove there, dropped her car off. And while that was being worked on, we just went to a local store, Gabe's, walked around, saw what they had, stopped at Philadelphia Pretzel, got some pretzels, and just returned to the auto shop and then waited for that to be completed, which it was. And then another thing out of the way. So feel much better knowing that the new tires are on, the alignment's in and done, and it's safe. That's what's most important. So, and that's pretty much was the day, right? So today was, I wouldn't say one of the easier days. It certainly, it had its packed information and packed thoughts that went into it to get it to that place, but very happy that we were able to put in a good solid half day, finish that basement up, and then get back down to the Middletown job and see that client as well. So all in all, it was a solid day, and we're going to get back to it tomorrow morning. And then Monday, we're going to, again, kick at it. So that's it for me. Like I said, it's a short one today. Just wanted to give a recap on the week, and then go from there. So appreciate everything you guys do by liking, subscribing, watching, and giving your feedback. All right. Peace out.